What's going on, guys? It is that time of the month where I give you the top 10 penny stocks, or top 8 penny stocks in this case. For those of you that don't know, who are new to this, we trade biopharma penny stocks for a simple reason, and that simple reason is that we can actually predict the exact date they will spike in value, because I'm going to give you the exact date. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can track. So if this is new and you're wondering why you're saying that, then go watch the rest of my penny stock videos to understand why we trade biopharma penny stocks. And by the way, guys, we only day trade biopharma penny stocks and we don't invest in penny stocks. Simple, right? We don't invest, we only trade. So I'm going to give you the dates, and I told you yesterday that I have a course ready to go for stocks and penny stocks. And here's the deal. If this channel can get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month, I'm going to give that channel for free, or that course for free. It's up to you. Get to work. Tell your friends. Your friends are interested, tell them. You know, show me how much you want this course, first of all. PLX is the first stock, trading at 42 cents. By the way, Ramadan Kareem to all the muzzies out there. I forgot to say it. So PLX trading at 42 cents. It will be releasing something on June 2nd, between June 2nd and June 5th. Watch out for those dates. Watch out for the website, the company's website, to find out the result. ZYME, $16. Be releasing something on June 1st. Now you're wondering, why are you giving me these dates? Well, that's why I say go watch the rest of the videos on penny stocks. You'll understand, because I think some of you guys who have been following me are getting sick of me repeating it, and I'm sure if you do end up following me, you'll get sick of me repeating it over and over. RNN, $2.13 at June 2nd. That's when I will be releasing the result. So on that day, the stock could either go up, spiking, or down, and that's where you either call the basically plug and say I'm going to short this or I'm going to buy the stock. VSTM, $4. That is June 4th. By the way, you don't have to worry. Everything's going to be in the description. I'm also going to have a link for you where you can track the stocks also. CTMX, June 4th also. IMGN, $10.77, June 4th also. ADAP, $12.31, June 4th also. By the way, on that day, June 4th, there's a meeting where literally hundreds of penny stocks are going to be releasing results of their trials of the drugs. So on that day, everything's going to be spiking or shorting. It's going to be mayhem. So you need to call, basically plug on this and say, okay, I'm going to find the crystal clear stock or penny stock on that day, and I'm going to make money. I'm not going to jump into this penny stock that has some kind of mixed earning or mixed results. I'm going to go in for the crystal clear. So on that day, you have to make money. Alright, June 4th, you have to make money on that day. Remember the day, June 4th. You can even listen to the meeting while it's happening, so you can make your decision based on these penny stocks. Alright, so I'll have everything in the description for you guys, so you know, you don't have to listen to what I have to say if you didn't. By the way, I'm so tired, you can see my energy level is down. But back to the course. Like I said, if you want this course for free, get to work. Alright? Get to work. 10,000 subscribers. If we hit it by the end of this month, then I'm releasing that course for free just for you guys. But obviously you won't have the mentorship with me, but that's okay. Peace and love, brothers. See you again tomorrow probably.